Hello, boys and girls. So we are going to do another directed drawing where I do and then you do something in your calendar. So what you're going to want to make sure that you do is make sure that you're on the page that has September. So it is the only month of the year that starts with S. So if you find a month or a page that has the S at the beginning of the month on this black strip at the top or the gray strip, you know you're on the right page. Okay, so never mind the clip. I've just put a piece of paper over the top of this so that I can draw it again tomorrow with my students. And the way that we are going to start is, let me tell you what we're going to draw first. We are going to draw, let me show you a picture of what it should look like at the end. So this is what it will look like at the end. Can you tell what it is? Yeah, it's a crayon box. So the reason why we're drawing a crayon box in September is that's when we go back to school. So September means school supplies, or when we go back to school. So I'm gonna start by drawing as straight of a line as I can. And then I'm going to draw a shorter line up. So it should be like a rectangle. Just like that. And then I'm gonna draw a line across. Okay, so there's my rectangle. And then my next step, you can pause if you need a minute to just really focus and do your very best. But your next step is you're going to draw up a little bit and up a little bit over here, and then you're going to draw a straight line across. Okay, so it's a little bit shorter rectangle. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to draw one right here in the middle, and then 2 more on this side, 1, 2, and then I'm going to go over on the other side and split up that into 2 sections, 1, 2. So do you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's supposed to be in equal parts. That's a little bit not quite equal, but that's okay. So it should look like that. All right, so then the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to draw the top of the crayon. So a crayon just looks like up, a curve up like that. There's my first crayon. Whoops, that one didn't get very pointy, did it? Because it's bigger. So I'm gonna erase it. That's why we use a pencil, friends. We don't use a crayon to do our first drawing, because then we can erase, right? Is it perfect? No, but that's okay. I'm doing my best, and that's all that matters, right? So now I have my crayons. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 3 slanty lines on the side of the box like this. Oh, I'm going to start a little ways away from the corner and draw a slanted line, and a slanted line. Oops. And then on the other side of the box, I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. And that is it, my friends. If you wanted to write the word crayons on it, you could totally do that. C-R-A, this is good letter practice. Y-O-N. You don't have to write this on your box. There's my crayons. I could even write the number 16 and put a circle around it and color it in what color? Red. Okay, there is our September drawing. It is a back to school supply for September.